Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Next you have to go to the more here, then go to the tethering in portable hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot. You can switch it here. You also have some other options of this mode. For example, you can set it to keep Wi-Fi hotspot on. You can set it to turn off idle for 5 minutes or 10, or you can set it to be always turned on. Here you can change your here you can set up your Wi-Fi hotspot. You can change its name here. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. You can also change its AP band here. You can reset its OBB, and you can also set the maximum amount of connections allowed. And here you can monitor connected users and also blocked users. And you can also switch Wi-Fi hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.